Good morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Today we can learn the day and month, children. All see the blackboard. Today month is February. 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 This is the second month. Day is Monday. 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 Today date is 1st February 2021. Today we are going to learn words with DR sound. DR, we pronounce it. See this spelling? This is D and R sound. We can learn some words today from the textbook. Words with DR sound. Read these words. First, see the first picture, children. You can see the dress picture. Frock is there, t-shirt is there. We have to learn the spelling of dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. See the next picture. This is dragon. Dragon is an insect, children. D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. D-R-A-G-O-N, dragon. See the next picture. The girl is drinking water. Now, dina ನಾವು ನೀರು ಕುಡಿತೀವಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಕಪ್ಪಲ್ಲಿ ಗ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. You have to learn the spelling of drink, children. D-R-I-N-K, drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. See the next picture. Drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. See the next picture. Drum. D-R-U-M, drum. D-R-U-M, drum. See the next one, children. Look at the picture. You have to see the picture and circle the words that has the DR sound. See the first picture, children? They have given 3 words, different words. We have to select it. D-R-U-M, drum. B-O-X, box. S-H-O-E, shoe. We have to select dr sound, no? Yeah. Where it is? That is drum. D-R-U-M, drum. You have to circle. See the next picture. D-O-L-L, doll. J-U-G, jug. D-R-I-N-K, drink. You have to circle the spelling. D-R-I-N-K, drink. You have to circle. See the next picture. D-O-Y, boy. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. C-O-L-O-U-R, color. You have to circle for the drawing. D-R-A-W-I-N-G, drawing. See the last picture. D-R-E-S-S, dress. G-I-R-L, girl. B-R-O-W-N, brown. You have to circle for the dress, children. D-R-E-S-S, dress. Now we can see the blackboard and learn the words, children. See this picture? This is a dress. See, children, what is this? These are varieties of dress. We have to learn the spelling of dress, children. See this? D-R-E-S-S, dress. D-R-E-S-S, dress. This is a dress. See the next picture, children. This is dragon. ನೀವು ಮನೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತೀರಲ್ವಾ, ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗನ್ ಇಂದ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದನ್ನ ಆ ಸ್ಪೆಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ನ ಕಲಿಯೋಣ ನಾವು. DRAGON, ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗನ್. DRAGON, ಡ್ರ್ಯಾಗನ್. Let us see the chart, children. ಚಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ತುಂಬ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ? ನಾವು ನೋಡೋದು ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈ. ವಿ ವಿಲ್ ಸಿ ದ ಬಟರ್ಫ್ಲೈನು. Cockroach we will see. Now we have to find out the dragon in this chart, children. See here, it is here, no? Dragon. Let us learn the spelling of dragonfly, children. DRAGONFLY. Dragonfly. This is the fly. Next, see this? The girl is drinking water. Now, we have to learn the spelling of drink. DRINK, drink. DRINK, drink. You will drink water. See the next picture. Can you see this? We can see the sun, mountains, rivers. That is the spelling of, we have learned drawing, children. DRAWING, drawing. DRAWING, drawing. See the last picture, what is this? This is a drum. We have to learn the spelling of drum. DRUM, drum. DRUM, drum. You have to learn all the spellings. You have to learn and you have to write in the sheets, children. Thank you, children. Bye bye.